guys, happy Tuesday. Welcome back to another vlog. Yesterday I didn't do much vlogging just simply because I had my last uni assignment to do, so I smashed that one out. I just went to work and then I went to food shopping, which I actually think I got a few bits and pieces from, so you may have already seen that. This morning I've just gone out for breakfast with my nana and my mum, and we went to Ikea, so that was really nice to see them both. And yeah, I've just gotten a coffee. It's 12 o'clock, so I'm just doing some work right now. I'm just going to edit the vlog from last week and hopefully have that out tonight, because I mean, uploading my vlogs on Wednesday and I really don't like it. I'd rather be uploading on Monday or Tuesday, so I'm going to smash that out now before I go back to work. I'm hopefully going to put on some makeup and do my hair and maybe change my outfit just so I'm ready to go out to dinner straight after work. I normally go out to dinner on Wednesdays, but because the State of Origin football game is on tomorrow night, we just thought we'd go out tonight just to obviously not be so busy, because where we go is just like it's like at South Bay, but we usually go to the pub, so it's pretty pretty busy normally. So we thought we may as well just not even try tomorrow night because it's going to be insane. What else can I update you guys on? I don't know. Yeah, so I finished my last uni assignment. I just have 2 exams to go, so that's super good. So I'm kind of on uni holidays right now. I just in that study period, so I have 2 weeks to study and then I have 2 exams. I have one on Monday and one on Friday, and then I have a week off, and I'm going to the Sunshine Coast with my family on a little holiday, so that's really nice. I'm really excited for that. But yeah, that's about all my updates for now. My housemates have moved out, so I can finally move rooms, and I'll definitely show you guys all that. I'm definitely going to be filming heaps of videos, heaps of DIYs, and come set up my closet and stuff with me. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm just in a really weird, crazy mood today, so that's just why I'm word vomit right now. But yeah, I just thought I'd update you guys, and I'm trying to do this week's vlog a little bit differently, more just clips of my life, because they are quite long, and I'm just going to really start trying different styles of vlogging. So stay tuned, bear with me, let me know what you like. I mean, we could get to the end of the week and this could be the same vlog as every other vlog, but yeah, I'm trying to mix it up a little bit. But I'm going to stop talking because I've literally already spoken for 3 minutes now, and I'll chat to you guys soon. Alright guys, you know the drill. I just thought I'd share with you what I am wearing. I have on this massive oversized faux leather jacket from, I think it's from Pretty Little Thing or Boohoo. Either one. I did a massive haul last year. I got so much stuff, and this is something I got. Just underneath I have a top from Zara, just tied up with some blue jeans on. These are just from Just Jeans. I've had these for years. I think I have told you guys I work at Just Jeans, so I have heaps and heaps of Just Jeans jeans. And then I have my pink Stan Smiths on, which my friend Carly amazingly gifted to me for my birthday, so thank you so much, Carly. I love them. They're so cute. They just add the perfect little matching touch to any of my pink jackets, and you guys have clearly seen that I've got a few. But yeah, this is my outfit. I'm gonna head to work and then I'll go straight to dinner from there, and hopefully I remember to film some stuff, but if not, I'll chat to you guys tomorrow. Good morning everyone. Firstly, sorry about the lighting. It's not the best because it's quite early in the morning. It's 6:40. Last night I went for dinner and I stayed at my boyfriend's house, so this morning I got up. He lives near the city, so this morning I've gotten up when he did, and I just drove home and I got a coffee on the way home, so it's quite early this morning. I'm not working, but now that I'm up, I'm just going to start doing some work. So I didn't get to finish that vlog. I was editing yesterday, so I'm gonna go finish that firstly, and then hopefully I can do some more YouTube work today. Then I'll have a shower, do my hair and makeup, and see how many videos I can get pumped out before work this afternoon. That is if I know my housemate is coming to finish off some stuff, so it depends on how noisy that will be, if I can film or not, so we'll have to wait and see. But yeah, that's my little update. I'm just going to be working on my vlog, so I'll chat to you guys soon. My day is not going to be that fun. If I do something fun, I'll let you guys know. What up guys, it's Friday. I literally can't remember the last time I vlogged this week, so I'm real sorry about that, but honestly it's been raining and I've just been in bed watching TV because your girl's on uni holidays and I've just been not in the mood for anything really. So I've been watching this show called Younger. It's on Stan if you live in Australia. I think Stan's only Australia. Anyways, it's on Stan. And it's got like Hilary Duff in it, who I absolutely love. Like she is just like one of like my childhood like idols, I guess. But it's called Younger and the fashion in this show is so cool. I'm just like loving it and getting so many cool like inspiration and vibes from it. I've watched it before, but the new season is coming out, so I'm just like rewatching it and it's just like actually inspiring me so much. But yeah, that's a little side note. That's what I've been doing, so sorry, but that's not really interesting to watch me cuddled up in bed watching shows. But yeah, that's really about it. I was going to do I was kind of going to show you how I'm moving my closet to the other room today. But my house is so dark, like I literally have to have a filming light on right now to film this because my house is so dark. Like normally I can do vlogs just with natural light in my house, but today I couldn't even vlog without a filming light. So that's how dark it is in my house, just because it's like really rainy and stuff outside. So I might actually save that and do that as a full video because it's gonna take me a while and I kind of want to show you like how I set up my reset up my closet. I'm thinking about changing my like configuration. Like I've color coordinated everything and it kind of goes in like arm length, but I feel like I want to change it up a little bit. I don't know, I'm not sure. So stay tuned for that. I promise that's coming. It's definitely on my list of things to do. I was supposed to film some videos today. I will probably film them if the lighting turns out to be okay. I'm probably just gonna go have a shower and film those. But yeah, that's about it from me today. Like nothing too interesting and nothing I can really film for you guys. Obviously for the vlog. I'm really sorry if this vlog is just like blah. I feel like I've been weekly vlogging for so many weeks now that you guys just know what my week is gonna be. Like I have a routine. If you know me, if you watch my vlogs, you know that I have a set routine. Like honestly, I go to work every morning, I go to work every afternoon, I go out for dinner every Wednesday night. Like it's just the same every single week and I feel like it's just not entertaining anymore. I don't even know if it was ever entertaining, but yeah, I might give the weekly vlogs like I might stop doing that and I might start doing like daily vlogs. Not like every single day, but like if I do something interesting that day, like I'll do a daily vlog. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Like if you do watch these vlogs, let me know if you want me to continue them or if you would like me to spice it up a little bit. I kind of wanted to change the way I was vlogging, but I can't really, like I have a vlogging style that I want to do, but I can't really do that without a vlogging camera. Like I could do it with this camera, but I'm filming on my normal camera right now. I could do it with this camera, but it's so big and I can't hold it up to talk and I don't want to take it everywhere. And like if I just have a vlogging camera, it can always stay in my bag and I can bring it everywhere with me, so if something happens I can just like bring it out. So I don't know, I was looking at some and they're pretty expensive, so I've started saving up for one, but I do have a few weeks of work where I'm not getting paid and obviously I still need to pay all my bills, so I'm kind of, my money's probably going to go to those weeks. But yeah, anyways, this is too long right now. I'm such a Like, I could just talk forever. Like, honestly, you guys are just like my friends. Like, I could, like, the camera, it's just like talking to a friend. Anyways, I'm gonna go. If I do anything fun, I promise I will insert it. I probably won't, and my weekend's probably gonna be pretty boring this weekend. Well, not boring, I'm just not like doing anything. I'm not going out. I'm trying not to spend money. So yeah, if you did like this vlog, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you want me to continue them or if you want me to change it up. Honestly, I want your honesty. I want your ideas. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching to the end. I honestly truly appreciate it. I'm trying to get my YouTube watch minutes up, so by you watching to the end, you're supporting me so much. So thank you so much, guys, and thank you following along with me on this journey. And yeah, I just want to say a massive thank you. I'm actually so appreciative of you guys. So yeah, thanks guys. I hope you guys had a great week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.